Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's done under 24,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.